Found my doppelganger.
Oh, let's put that.
Oh, the base. Sonny Las Vegas, and this right here, amazing person, is Daddy, the niche lady. We are at Broadacres. I'm loving this place more and more. Oh, make sure I lock the truck. This is one of the things I need to get, folks. I need to get one of these fold-out carts. See one at Walmart, I think, for around $40. Some at Lowe's a little bit more. A necessity if you're going out to community yard sales. Gonna get some good walking, and at flea market. Very, very useful. Make sure you get the fold-out ones.
For two.
All right, you go ahead and wander.
I bought a little fanny pack thing for
I know, I love
the
mine at
cash
home.
and I forgot it.
Cuando ya iba yo a atacar, ya estaba tirado este ahí. ¿Qué va a pasar?
Ooh,
Look at this
I
guy.
definitely must pick
He's
up.
the Monopoly
The
jail
Monopoly.
guy. These are all just $1, so.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, I
This
gotta
is just
get
so
him.
weird. Shake this. Look at Daddy.
Hey, I find one and then I'm like, okay, let's find some
What
more.
else can I find?
Let's
Yeah,
find some
that's the
more.
thrill to hunt.
Let's go. That piece out has cute. It's Reese's Pieces, right?
I think so.
I think so. It's
Yeah,
the right
the
color.
little one. If not, it's like little drug
Yeah, that's awesome.
pills.
Ay, 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 papá.
I think it's Reese's.
Yeah, not $5 though.
Llévala por allá.
Baby Yoda.
Con cuidado.
Time and True. Another Reese's Pieces.
¿Qué te iba a decir? ¿A color?
How much are these?
5.
5. Oh, how do you open it? It's like a radio, FM radio?
No.
Oh, headpiece.
iPhone, yeah.
Got it. That's cool though. What about these Sony ones right here?
It's 10.
10. Holland?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's fake.
I used to have one of those back in like 2002, 2001 when I was in
Does
Korea.
that even seem like 20 years ago?
No, it doesn't.
Is that crazy? Ah.
They're so cool. Would you take 15 for both of these?
No.
No? Alright, I'll think about it.
Okay.
Oh, that's the guy I was looking for last time. That's cool.
$20, man. Only parts. Well, there's a bunch of stuff goes with it. If I had everything that went to it, it's like
Be a lot of
$700.
Oh,
Yeah.
I bet.
Yeah,
I bet.
Barnett Vengeance.
I used to go boat fishing a lot.
Yeah, I
Recurves,
never used one in my life,
compounds.
man. Yeah, I'm selling for parts.
Yeah. That's so nice. Yep.
You know, if you ever find a buffalo one, you gotta get it for carry.
Yeah, I came across a buffalo hoodie yesterday at the bins, but not the size though. Oh man, it's so cool when you find some stuff, you know, that's just different than when you found it last time. Spoke to a gentleman where I got these hats. It's like the second time I've come to him. He's giving really better deals today, so I kind of keep track of that in mind. Of next time if I come early, he's just busy and just wants to get stuff sold. And later on, when the crowds come in, then it's like, oh, there's competition, so he'll raise the prices.
Too hot, too hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
That's why we're here early, but all the vendors aren't here. Well, you're here.
Yeah.
Well, let's see what we can find.
We got a Naruto.
Hey, there's poo.
Oh, this is a
Poo on the table.
Oh, that's a mug.
Just saying. That's
That is
not
used.
bad. That's not a bad looking little Winnie the Pooh.
No, that is a cool Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah. Shopware.
That little bait tray.
Got a nice Tiffany
Las Vegas,
style.
Nevada. Oh, look at this. Okay. Yeah, this is a heavy little thing right here. Yeah. How much are these?
$3.
Got it. $3 for that.
You know what I watch all the time?
Y'all got hats? Other than that?
A couple right there, yeah, just a couple right there. They go for it.
It's a Guitar Hero.
Look at that. You want to play some games, Danny? Oh.
Oh, cool.
PlayStation 2. Oh, that is scratched up.
Every time I put them in, I buy something. Every time they sell.
What's in the glass box? Glass box.
Like dishes. You can look
Can I
good.
peek?
Yeah, of course. It's for sale. It's got to come out.
And then $4 you said? Thank you.
Just got a San Diego Chargers belt buckle, limited edition. I don't know, I think some people are like really mad at the Chargers, leaving San Diego, but then there might be that collectability factor, so.
Is this where you found it?
Yeah.
Gems. That's what I'm looking for, people. Looking for gems. Essential. Knockoff of Fear of God, the Ramones, modern t-shirt. Metal Militia, good brand, resale. My Hero. How much are these shirts? Cat is a good brand. Cat usually sells very well, Caterpillar, on Whatnot. How much for the jersey?
That one is 20.
Kind of a thing.
Yeah?
That's kind of cool.
Yeah. It even has a kilt.
Yeah.
The Kilt Nation. The Kilt Nation.
We should get it for Mikey.
Oh, what size is it? Hold on. Good idea, Danny. Oh, it has 2 hangers on it. That's how heavy it is. That's a lot of.
It looks big enough for Mikey.
42. Racing ones are pretty popular. And they Reebok. Reebok doesn't sell very well. And it's still very cool. See, this is stuff I look at too because it's a bonus to get this. More and more people are wanting like the older styles. So scuffed up.
How much are your things, sir?
Yes. 2008.
Yes, ma'am. For this one, I asked you 15. You want it back? Okay.
Danny, do you like old school math?
Oh, that is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see what else you got over here.
That one can with this one.
It's a little
I never understood
abacus.
this. You know how to do that?
No, I
Oh, it
don't.
goes with this?
Mm-hmm. That one going to the top.
It's like marble.
That's really awesome. I like that.
That is cool.
I like that a lot, actually. I see a horse. Oh, he's coming off of his little. He's a wild Mustang. He's coming off of his base there.
Is it just unscrewed off?
Yeah, it was just. Yeah, we'll put a little layer here. Thank
And
you.
this is your base.
The base. Okay.
Yeah, that's the base.
Perfect.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
What's your name, by the way?
Anna.
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 Nice to meet
All the time
you.
over
Sonny, Danny.
And Danny.
Nice to meet you guys.
This looks so familiar. What is this? Me?
It is you.
Yeah.
It's Sonny.
Found my doppelganger right here at the
That's
Broadacres.
No, I don't see anything exciting. Now I know why my tortoises like it so much. That's actually quite amazing.
Let me get some of this action.
Yeah, this is good stuff right here. Woo! That feels better. Hey, I might have to get one of those. I just stopped.
Yeah, I don't know nothing about cars like
I
this.
don't know nothing about cars.
Yeah, but let's see how much this is gonna go for. Power's on.
Everybody was cussing everybody out. It was bad. But you know, Corky's a nice guy. You know, he's a good guy. How's your mom, by the way? Oh,
about the pins?
Yeah.
You need some more pins?
The same type or different
No,
type?
different kind.
I'll check them out. Yeah. Oh, that whole thing?
Well, you don't have to take the whole thing, but then
Limited edition pen, Ken Griffey Jr.
These. Oh,
Pins? Like the little backing pins? Yeah. Or on a hat or... ¿Mande?
es muy viejo.
Sí. Como yo.
Como yo.
¿Cuántos años tienes usted?
70.
¿70? No, oh, sí. Miras como 40.
Ya quisiera.
Soy 41. Yeah.
Wow, you're young.
How would you like to sell a bag of these, Mr. Trash?
how many's in the bag? A whole bag?
Yeah.
$5, fill it up.
All right. I kind of like coming in early.
Water?
Sí, por favor. Ladies and gents, it's a hot one.
Yes.
What time is it? 9:38.
It's only 9:38.
What time did we get here?
It's got to be 100 degrees already.
Yeah, it has to be.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sweating now.
Yep. Glistening. It's called glistening.
Glistening like a Krispy Kreme donut fresh off the conveyor belt.
Woo!
We are done. Make sure to check out Danny's channel and see what she come across. Thank you all folks for watching. As Danny says,
Go be profitable and make it fun.
and make it fun.